Module variable validation. A module variable is the module's input boundary. A validation block adds a custom rule inside that boundary. Terraform evaluates the rule against the incoming value, and if the condition is false, Terraform stops and prints the configured error message. Type constraints only prove the value shape. Variable validation proves the value matches the module's operating rules. A string type only proves that Terraform received text. It does not prove the text is usable. For network input, the module should reject values that are not valid CIDR ranges and reject ranges outside the sizes the module was designed to manage. That changes failure from a later provider-side error into an immediate module-side error with a message you control. Terraform's variable validation is built for exactly that kind of custom condition. Once the module accepts the input, the resource block can trust the interface more than the raw color. Here, the AWS provider uses the standard required providers syntax shown in the current Terraform registry doc, and AWS VPC is a current AWS resource in the latest provider documentation. The module is not using validation to replace provider schema. It is using validation to catch module-specific policy before the request reaches AWS. That gives the caller a smaller error surface and keeps the module contract stable. The real benefit is not syntax. The real benefit is fault containment. If a caller passes production instead of prod, or a CIDR your module was never designed to support, the module rejects the call before downstream naming, tagging, policy checks, and resource creation inherit the mistake. That prevents one bad argument from spreading across multiple resources and outputs. On a submarine, you do not wait for flooding to prove a compartment boundary mattered. You verify the seal before the casualty spreads. Module validation does the same thing. It treats bad input like water at the hatch. One rejected argument is cheap. A bad value copied into names, tags, routes, and policy attachments is not.